Flat table installation. First, install the table bracket. The tool is 5mm hexagon. Same on the other side. There are 3 switches under the table. Open them. Then place the flat table on the machine. Then close switches. Tighten the screws at this position. Same on the other side. 4 screws need to be tightened here. There are 2 screws inside. Then install the 3 table supports. It can be rotated to adjust the height. Finally, install the cover. Tighten the screws. Flat table installation completed.